Yeah, it's in Sabaidee. Let me make it short. You want to take cash? We can take cash, but it's going to be on VannDa's side. Okay.
Got some merch. Back at this YouTube channel. Dance. Trying to make a video for the channel. I'll insert old photos somewhere over here of us.
Every time I look at you, you still record.
I'm just like pointing it at you. I love your hair.
I'm not sure.
Dude, that's Tiny out there. I love her so much. I watch her every day.
1, 2, 3.
It matches my hair.
I think we used all the cups though.
We got Long Beach in the house. We got Long Beach. We got Fresno in the house. Hey. How about the 209? We got Stockton. Let's go. Shout out to the Bay. Which I know what they say, right? The West Coast is the best coast. Ain't that right? Rock, rock. Hey, hey. They not like us. Hey, they not like us. Hey, hey. They not like us. Rock. They not like us. They not like us. Go fuck. 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 Hey, hey. What up, shawty? Talk Sabaidee. Look, I put up on the light. Shawty, I can't help but notice. Now usually I keep it cool, but around you, see I can't help but show it. You smell like roses in the morning. Your aroma got me wanting to worry ya. You ain't gotta worry about a thing. All great things take care. Hard to get when I press the neck diamonds round to the wheels fall. To the left, you watch take just have faith. If y'all know the words, sing along like this. They're beautiful and probably a queen on earth. Asking her how you lay them jeans. Dance with you underneath the stars. I'm so glad to get a slack. Now we gon' live right for the nights we did wrong. Promise we gon' live right. Hands out. All I know is rain, so I gotta grind. All I see is pain, so I gotta show. All I know is hustle, dedication, hard work. So I'm putting that over time. All I know is love, I don't know the hate. All I got is trust, gotta keep your faith. All I know is one day I'ma do it like no hustle. My city, I'm the living Christ. What? Pain, so I gotta grind. All I see is rain, so I gotta shine. All I know is hustle, dedication, hard work.
ខ្ញុំឃើញស្រីល្អនេះក៏ចោះទៅមុខក្រញ៉ាំបានរញ៉ាំមិនទៅស្ទះគេពេលផ្លូវអើពូលីមកដឹងនៅបងបងមកឡើងយកទៅតាមមិនបងបងយ៉ាអូនញ៉ាំក្នុងពេលនេះរំបងបងកាតែមកជួយចំកុំយើងរំយើងជ្រៀងពីចូលចាំទៅស្រីមុខតាតាមប្រពៃណីមក Ale ye yo yo ye le ye yo hello
I'm going back. Yeah, make some noise for yourself.
Say hello to Vannda ធ្វើបែបនេះយួរបងបែបនេះពី3ឆ្នាំនេះតស៊ូបែបនេះឬក៏ថាបងជា burger អីស្នាដូច cheese ឬក៏ថាបងជា fake account of body Let's go មានអារម្មណ៍ថាដូចឯកាឈឺចាប់ព្រោះទៅបែបបាស្នេហាពេលនេះពលរវល់កាន់កែស្រា Tell Vannda យំពីស្វ័យរ ปวดเชิงแต่บอกกันเอาซ้ายปากป่าองค์ก็จะไล่กองได้น้ำพีพอบอกก็พอสุขมาโซบงซอช่วยต้องให้ทันใจสบายมีมักพอโอ้เช่ก็จะได้ยกวันจะก็ต้องได้ลุ้นได้จะไปจะต้องรอชอบก็ได้สั่งให้มันเลยมาทำไมจะมากันมันเลยจะสั่งกับมันชอบแค่ทักฉันเคยแต่ฉันไม่ได้เคยต้องชอบแค่เธอเล่งๆแค่จำทายกับใครจะชอบไปยังสกอร์ไปยังปังไปยังบอลไปยังเทงไปยังไทยโบราณเลยจะไปเรียนโชว์ยืนเชียร์กำไรใช้วิโจหรือจำนวนคือยำโซมีบรักยำเรียบทั้งนานหนึ่งบานกุมในสกิลทำบัตรช่องไอช่างเติมรำตัวแทนในแคลร์ของไอไทยจะไปในดินแสนแต่มองเห็นโตเกิดทำแพ้อุตมะพร้อมมือนายมองไอจะไม่ติ้งโมสักตุ่มไอโอนาโคจะรู้เลยนะ
Do a quick haul of all the things bought from that merch booth. So cute. So I got a gibbet for my Crocs. I think the guy said that this could be a pen as well. An umbrella. Also got a scarf. Got a lanyard because I love lanyards. Shorts. I got my mom a VannDa's shirt. And got myself the shirt, and on the back it has all this cyan on it, which I love. Black shirt. And on the back is all the cities. I love shirts like this. just me back at home with all of my slow pokes. So just gonna say a few things, and I just edited. I did most of the editing on the airplane, but I officially finished like the little details I wanted to add, and I felt like the video was missing something, and I just wanted to come on here and speak because this is my channel and I could do that and show more of my face. But I just wanted to add that this festival was really huge for our community as a Southeast Asian, Cambodian American, being the first one in my lineage to live here and figure it out. And a lot of the people there at the festival, they're just like me. And the people that are watching right now, we have so much in common. And the festival, what that means to me is another sense of unity. That was a big key word of the event, was when we're all together united. We have so much pride and so much love for our culture and so much respect for one another. It was beautiful to see. I don't know if I've hit all the points, but I just wanted to say, if you see a girl with purple hair at Showbox Sodo in Seattle on the 29th of June, or I think, and you happen to watch this video, I'm no influencer. I'm just a regular human that wants to connect with more people that are just like me. Feel free to say what's up. My name is Shalina, by the way. Dance Don't Dance. Dawn is just my middle name. And Dance Gavin Dance is my favorite band. I really hope I hit all the points. I'm not sure though. If you see a purple hair girl at Showbox, and I might vlog, I think it'll be cool to interview some people or talk to some people about what Sabaidee Fest meant to them, because I'm coming back from that festival feeling so proud of our culture, and I hope to see more Sabaidee held events at other cities, not just Seattle. I think that would be really cool to see this getting bigger than what it is now, because the purpose of my channel is I'm gonna look back at this video in 10 years and reminisce and have these fond memories that I've recorded to share, because that's how I feel when I look back at my videos from 10 years ago. I was doing all of that and I'm so different now. Thank you for watching, and if you made it to the end, I'm gonna add a special clip. It's more like a blooper. VannDa's mic was going out towards the end, like when he brought out OG Bobby and Sprite on stage, their mic went out on one of my favorite songs, Run This Town. And it was so funny because I was singing along, and I'm singing in Thai and I have no idea what I'm saying. But anyways, I'm gonna add Joe. So Vanthan actually did Joe, which was one of my favorite diss tracks, and it got cut off unfortunately, but I'm just gonna add it as a blooper. Okay, bye.
On the game! Hey! Let's go, Vanthan! Hey! Hey!